Hello, I'm Andy. Today I want to present to you two amazing tool organizers from fullertool. Our new adjustable heavy-duty tool belt and our 36 Pocket Pro bucket organizer. Now first, we have our Pro heavy-duty tool belt. This adjustable belt features all the pouches and pockets needed to store and carry your tools around the job site or for those home projects. Multiple compartments with easy access to all your tools. Includes tool belt, 5-pocket utility pouch, 4-pocket utility pouch, 1-pocket utility pouch, and hammer holder. Adjustable waist from 32 to 48 inches or 80 to 120 centimeters in diameter. Made of durable 1680 denier nylon material, which makes it sturdy and strong. Always ready to hold heavy tools. High visibility accents, great for night use. Now let's check our 36 Pocket Pro bucket organizer. This versatile 36 pocket tool holder fits on most 20-liter buckets and makes storing and carrying tools simple and easy. It fits most 20-liter or 5-gallon buckets. Now if your shop looks like mine, this is the right solution. With our 36 pockets, you can hold your most popular tools like pliers, screwdrivers, tape measure, hammer, and much more. Perfect for night use with its high visibility reflective strips. Our bucket organizer won't easily come off, you can rest assured. Also, every side of the organizer has pockets to comfortably store every tool and accessory needs. Includes clip for keys and other small items. Two amazing tool holders for woodworkers, electricians, or tradesmen. From fullertool, tough enough for pros, trusted by homeowners. Thanks for watching.